Hi guys.
How you doing?
Hi Dick.
Let's go. Well, you know what? Once in a while you'll meet a legend. There she is. Cannonball 2021. I knew you long before that.
Yes, I went to your house many times.
Right, you did the Indian dealership in Springfield.
Yeah,
Oh,
Massachusetts.
where did the Indians come from?
That's correct. Home of Indian Motorcycle.
That's where I met you. Then you did this Cannonball.
I did.
I followed you every day because I follow everybody.
Yes.
Because I did the first one,
Yes.
2010. And you...
Everyone's a MacGyver.
I did the perfect score.
100% score. Really.
I did
She can ride. I've got people working for me that are females that like motorcycles.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, we love that. But this woman has done a fantastic legacy. And, so you're still going to do bikes now?
Yeah, I'm still doing bike. We built a couple bikes right now. So
yeah. You're still working out of Springfield?
Yep, still there. And,
it's not. You with Dennis?
Well, he's retired now. Yeah, he's retired now. But I'm still involved with the antique motorcycle.
Is this Springfield I mean, it's called Indian of Springfield still?
Indian of Springfield.
Oh, it is?
Yes,
Good.
But he definitely retired. He just sold the business. But I'm still involved with riding with the antique motorcycle.
Great. Yeah.
So we're going to do a lot more international ride.
Okay,
yeah,
great.
We're going to do more, Europe ride, this July, we're going to go to Switzerland to ride a bike over there.
You're going to do that?
Yeah, I got to do that. Because I got a good friend of mine from Sweden, Jürgen. You might have heard of his name. He really knows about antique Indian motorcycles. So he built one of the bikes for me to ride there. So
beautiful.
It's going to be fun.
We got to follow that. You know something? I was just talking to Frank about it.
I'll text it to you.
All right. We should be putting something together. I want to get all you guys together and do something for this vintage car and motorcycle.
Sure.
You guys, this is what we need.
Sure.
No, really. This
yeah, we'll do. I'll try you.
What are you riding nowadays?
Right now, I ride the 1929 Indian 101 Scout.
Okay, on the Scout. Okay.
Yeah, on the Scout. Perfect size for me.
Yeah.
Right now.
How much you weigh? I hate that.
Probably 110.
Where? Yeah, where's 110?
I'm already gained. 110 days I'm gained. I used to
90,
be only 95 pounds.
Yeah, you're 90. You need a pound over 91.
Yeah.
But
and then we're doing a 1942 Sports Scout. We put the new engine in it, which is stroke to be 57 cubic inch. So I'm trying to practicing for myself to kick it because it's a little bit
you're
bigger
going to be a kick?
Yes.
Well, you've rode bigger bikes than Scouts, so I mean,
yeah, I do. I was, but Scout is just perfect for me. I love it.
Okay.
Yeah, I love the Scout. Easy to ride and beautiful size for me.
Well, we're going to look forward to seeing more of you.
Yeah.
We're going to be following you like we did at the Cannonball.
Yeah.
Good luck, honey.
Good luck. Thank you. Thanks for having me. Thank you.
Thank you.
So you can find me in Instagram, which is Indian with capital I _AA. And you can find me on Facebook, which is my real name, Kanjana, which is Kanjana. So
Beautiful.